Hello, dear friends. Welcome to watch our video. Hereby, I will introduce our latest designed continuous carbonization furnace for you. Our furnace is composed by a feeding screw conveyor, a furnace host body. Here is a secondary combustion chamber. This is a thinner gas and smoke purification system. Before production, we need to preheat our first host to a 350 degrees by our preheating system. For the preheating, we can use LPG gas, natural gas, or oil burners. When our furnace host body temperature reaches to 350 degrees, we can feed our raw materials through this screw conveyor to the furnace. Our furnace inner reaction tube is made of stainless steel, which can bear more than 600 degree high temperature. Raw materials enters in the high temperature inner tubes. It will take pyrolysis reaction immediately. Meanwhile, a large amount of thinner gas will be produced and comes out through the pipeline to this gravity dust removal chamber. From this chamber, we can collect fine, small black carbon hereby. After some time, we can collect some carbon here from the bottom bin. After the gravity dust removal chamber, the purified clean gas will be moved by the draft fan to our secondary combustion chamber. Hereby, we burn all the byproducts such as the thinner gas, wood tar, and vinegar together here totally. Hereby, the temperature will reach to 1,300 degrees. The high temperature hot gas flow enters in our furnace bottom to provide the heating resource for the pyrolysis reaction. When the complete circle is reached, we can close the preheating system outside, so we can save a lot of energy for the production. During the pyrolysis reaction, there will be a large amount of hot air. The hot air will come out through this pipeline to our dust removal scrubber. From this scrubber, we can reduce the dust in the hot air. Also, we can decrease the hot air temperature before emission from this chimney. Finally, the carbonized raw materials will come out through this cooling discharge conveyor. This conveyor is equipped with an airlock. This integrated continuous carbonization furnace is put on a platform, so it is very easy to deliver and very convenient for customer usage. When it arrives at customer's factory, we can just put it on a floor and connect with electricity, so it can work normally. We can also move it anywhere for production. Thank you for watching. Welcome to contact us for more details.